Hello, Lincoln. First of all, can you just give me a name, please?
Rhiannon, hello.
So, Rhiannon, first of all, can you tell me what made you go into the world of social care?
I've worked for a number of years as a social care practitioner, and I thoroughly enjoyed that role. And then the opportunity came up to have a secondment to do the social work training.
Why have you chosen Denbighshire as your employer?
The opportunity came up at the Royal Alex in the community resource team, and it's a beautiful part of the world.
So can you tell me what do you actually do from a day-to-day perspective?
Social work is very challenging. We have a lot of work. We mainly work with adults over the age of 18, and we support citizens to make better use of their lives and give them the opportunity to have choices and maintain control and autonomy in their lives.
You say you enjoy working in Denbighshire. What do you think are the benefits of working for the authority?
You've got agile working. You can work in any office in the whole authority. Free car parking, free gym membership. The teams, they're really supportive. You've got really good colleagues here. They're absolutely superb.